Welcome back to our channel. I'm Riz and I'm Denise. So for today's video, I'm so excited to introduce you guys our new slime kit, which is Ice Lemonade Mini Slime Kit! So this new slime kit is really cheap and affordable and is now available on our Shopee slime shop. So check it out! It will be in the link in the description down below now. So this is actually our second mini slime kit because the first one is the BTS I Purple You slime kit. You guys loved it so much, that is why we decided to release another one. This slime kit includes 60 ml Ice Lemonade scented glue. It smells exactly like lemon, it's so refreshing and it's just so good. It also includes Ice Lemonade Slime Activator, 1 pack of yellow foam beads, 1 pack of jelly cubes, mini straw, and a mini random foam beads as a freebie. It also includes some slime care sheets and instruction sheets. It will guide you on making your slime. So if you want to know more about this slime kit, just keep on watching. Let's get started!
It includes slime activator and scented glue, yellow foam beads, 1 pack of jelly cubes, mini straw, mini random foam beads as a freebie, slime care sheet, and instructions. Start off by adding some of your desired amount of glue into a container. When I open the bottle of our glue, it smells so good! Our clear glue is so clear and thick. And just by looking at it, it's so refreshing and clear. It also smells like lemonade, which I love. Now let's activate our glue to make our slime. Clear slime activates faster, so make sure to just add a little by little amount of activator and keep mixing. Just keep in mind that when you are mixing our clear glue, it will create bubbles, and waiting for 3 to 5 days will make it clear again. Just keep activating and mixing until you reach your desired texture. And once you're done activating your slime, knead it until it has no lumps and has smoother texture. In this process, your slime might not be or might be sticky, but if it's sticky, just add more activator. And kneading your slime will help your slime much better. And of course, don't forget to clean your bowl and utensils. Just continue kneading your slime until it's smooth. And after a long process of kneading, your slime will look like this. And once we're done making our slime, we're just going to put it in an airtight container for 3 to 5 days to clear up. And I also love how little amount the activator that we use to make our slime. And after 3 days, this is how our slime turned out. It's so clear and still smells so good. And as you guys can see, all of the bubbles are gone. And for the fun part, it's decorating time. The first thing you're going to do is add a little bit of jelly cubes in your slime. And this way, our jelly cubes represent the ice. Then prepare a jar or container, then add the rest of your jelly cubes. Make sure to keep watching until the end of this video because of the beautiful ASMR. Now after adding all of those jelly cubes, we're now going to put in our lemon clear slime. It's so pretty and clear. We're just going to let it soak for a little bit. Now for our second add-ins, we're now going to put in our yellow foam beads. And this will make our slime even more better. I love how vibrant yellow our foam beads is. This is optional, but I really recommend adding our freebies foam beads in it too. Wow, there is so much add-ins and I love it! Now the last thing to do is add our mini straw. It's so refreshing to look at and it really reminds me of summer. This slime kit might be my new favorite because it smells so good, it looks so pretty, I just love it. And you can make a beautiful slime with just a cheap and affordable price.
The slime is amazing, fantastic, and so realistic. It smells so good, it smells exactly like lemon, it really reminds me of summer, and I just love it so much. Yes, and it also has a lot of inclusion for a cheap price. And I really love this slime kit and I hope you love it too. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy. See you on the next slime journey. Bye!